Did you have a question about the Christmas tree lights? What did you ask?
I was asking why the Christmas tree lights were on and you were supposed to turn them off.
And why do we have them on today?
You wanted to keep them on.
Yeah. We haven't even opened up all the presents yet, have we?
No.
Yeah. Can you show me what book you're reading?
Stuart.
What is it? Stuart Little. Wow.
I'm reading about Stuart.
Yeah. It's a nice long tail, isn't it?
And my planet was, I love Marlene, she said.
Do you have a...
She went down and docked that. Just went down the drain and docked her window.
Oh, that's smart, little Stuart. Do you want to show the camera anything else? Like...
Even Stuart was a helpful little mouse. He spit on and off when he was taking the bath. He docked the ring, put on his new pants, checked the stall on his own, and wiped the teas away. Fixed his ears, wiped the trays, and then brushed his teeth, rebrushed, and went to bed last night.
What chapter of the book was that? Was that... Oh, you don't want to talk? Is Papa embarrassing you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want me to turn the camera off?
Yeah.
I love you, my little Christmas elf. My little cat. My little Catlin monkey.
Actually,
My little Catlin worm.
I found a worm.
I see your eyes. You're looking. You're looking.
See how my eyes are putting down? Oh, man.
Who are you trying to look like?
Some little toads.
What does Sean Miller do? What does he do? Yeah, he does, doesn't he? Oh, Grandma and Grandpa Miller. Auntie Anna loved that one. Does it get big buggy eyes? Show me.